Okay, so some of the feedback I've received from you is that what happens when you have a fraction in the question? So I've written up here, what is 37.5% of 24? So again, we go back to our formula and we plug in the information that we know. Do we know what our is value is? We don't. So as per the formula, we're going to make that our x. Do we know what our percent is? Yes, we do. It's 37.5. And do we know what the value for of is? And that is 24. So now we have x over 24 equals 37.5 over 100. So we need to get rid of this fraction. So in order to do that, we need to think about, well, what is 1/2 as a decimal? So remember, there are two different ways of doing it. You can divide 1 into 2, or you can try to get your denominator to a 10 or a 100. So does 2 make a 10? It does. So what do we have to do to the 2 in order to get it to a 10? So we go like this. 2 times 5 equals 10. And then we can say that 1 times 5 equals 5. So now we have 5 in the 10th column. So anytime we have 5 in the 10th column, we find the 10th column, which is right beside the decimal, and we just add it there. So we are at 0.5. So we can change our 37.5 fraction to 37.5. Once we have all of the available, all of our known variables filled in, then we can cross multiply. X times 100 equals 100x. 24 times 37.5. 37.5 times 24. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Add a 0 to correct our place value. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Let's add that up. There we go. Now we have one decimal place right here, so we have to move our decimal place over one time, leaving us with 900. So 100x equals 900. Now we need to isolate the variable. We're going to divide 100 by 100. 100 over 100 equals 1. 1 times x is x. So we've isolated the variable. What we do to one side of equal sign, we have to do to the other. So 900 divided by 100 is 9 over 1, and anything over 1 is itself. So x equals 9.